are stuck. What's going on? I'm over at my buddy's house, my buddy Jake's, and working on his X3 today. He hasn't been riding it for quite a while because it's been broke. Been kind of having a funky noise in there. So check this out. Everybody drink water bottles. When you wedge a water bottle in by this drive shaft, that makes some real funky noises. But yeah, we're gonna pull him out of there and we're gonna take it for a ride and see if the click goes away. But yeah, he was not happy when he found that out. Like, we're talking, this thing's probably sat since September because thought the drive shaft was out of it. No, just a water bottle. Stuck. Want to see if I can push it forward? Push it backwards? Which way you want me to go with it? Back? Backwards? It's only 14 foot long, it'll be fine. how a water bottle will get underneath the seat of a 4-seat X3. I didn't really know. I didn't think it was that possible. But yeah, check this out. You can see all the panels seem nice and tight. Look underneath this seat. Big old gap. So that's how the water bottle got underneath there. Crazy, absolutely crazy. The way that noise sounded, you would have thought drive shaft was flying out of this thing. Well, all right, that's a wrap for this one. So yeah, if you got an X3 4-seat and it's making kind of a weird noise, rip the console apart, double check for water bottles. But other than that, I appreciate you watching. Make sure you smash the subscribe button down at the bottom, and we'll catch you on the next one.